Hello everyone. In this lecture, we would like to explain about the steady state of the economy. Let's start. First, the meaning of the steady state. The steady state is the amount of capital that remains constant. It must be explained before that when we try to keep the capital constant, it cannot be more or less than this. It has to have the same amount of capital, no change. So delta K equals to 0. Delta K equals investment minus depreciation. But our delta K is 0 at steady state, so our delta K equals 0. Making investment and depreciation equal. I dy n is equal to delta K, so S multiplied by function K equals delta K. This can solve the equation for K star, where K star are K in the steady state. Let's plot the relationship. We start with delta K as a linear equation. Because S is depreciation and S multiplied by function K is investment, we call these 2 points are steady. The point of no change in capital delta K is 0, means that the capital is not increasing or depreciating. In the right hand figure, the investment curve is lower than the depreciation, means the investment greater than depreciation. So our capital will gradually go up. For example, we own a computer store. We bought 10 printer. It appears that many children come to use more than you think, causing our existing capital may not be enough. So we bought more printer more and more to the point where our capital is usable, which is a steady state. Next, the depreciation curve is above the investment curve, meaning that the depreciation period is greater than the investment. Delta K will go negative. Capital will continue to decline until it reaches a steady state. This is when we start doing business that we didn't know we should have. How much capital we may buy more capital than we use. We would not invest more, causing the rest of the capital deteriorate. It continues to depreciate until a certain point that the capital is truly usable. In this graph, it zooms in when K moves along the curve from K1 to K star, and we will see that it's diminishing return because as time passes by, the change in K is decreasing until it is at K star.
From the equation of saving is equal to the investment, and the investment curve in this steady state graph is saving rate times with the function of capital per year, or SFK. So when S of saving rate change, it affects the investment to also change in the same direction. In this case, we will say that saving rate is increased from S1 to S2. It affects the investment curve to rise and go steeper than the old one. And when the new investment curve intersects with the depreciation curve, the new K star will occur with the higher in K. And in this page, it is when the population growth and the technological progress are taken into account. It will be added up in the depreciation equation, which affect the depreciation curve to be steeper than the old one. From this, we will also have a new K star when the two lines are intersect. Or to keep the K star remain the same, we have to increase the investment to be higher than before to intersect with the new depreciation curve in the same point. And this is all of the concept of steady state in briefly. We hope our viewers to get more idea about this topic. Thank you for watching our video.